Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today what's up, you guys? It's your girl Anissa, aka Groovy Baby, and today I am back with another video. So today's gonna be a little bit different. So today I am gonna be showing y'all how I achieved this look. So not the makeup, unfortunately. I'll definitely have to do a makeup tutorial for y'all, but I'm just gonna be filming how I laid and slayed this wig. Now I made this wig myself. I got the bundles from Sealy Hair, I believe, and I'll put like all the information in the description box below. I think I have a 28, 26, and a 24 inch. I think I wish I could show y'all like all the hair. But yeah, let's just hop right into the video. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, first I need to take my durag off. I was debating on whether or not I should have kept it on, but you can see like my little waves or whatever. I need a haircut, but you know, I need a haircut, but I think I'm just gonna wear a wig cap today. So right now, I'm just using some Wetline Extreme Gel. I have the clear one, and I'm just slicking my edges back just so when I put my wig cap on, no hairs are going to be left out and none of my edges is going to be snatched. Okay? Okay. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. Unfortunately, all I have is black, so we're just going to see how that goes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to cover this up with my makeup, but I'm really just going to try my best. Like, nothing really I can do about it. Well, I could go get some more, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, y'all, and throughout this video, y'all are going to see me talking a lot. Just ignore that. I was supposed to do a story time, but it was way too loud in my house. I'm cutting some ear holes just so I can lay the stocking cap flat on my head and everything will stick. I'm just taking some Got To Be Glued freeze spray and I'm just spraying that along my hairline just so I can get the stocking cap to really stick and none of my edges get snatched. I'm taking a wrap and tying it around my head just so I can make sure that the stocking cap doesn't lift. And I can just get it dried down on the first try. I forgot to film this part, but after this, I'm just going to cut off the excess of the cap that I don't need. And then I'm going to go back in with some smaller scissors to clean it up. In order to keep my stocking cap from rolling up on my head, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it in a knot in the back and then cut off the excess, just kind of forming a mold around my head. Now I'm going to take my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Kenya and just blend that all over my stocking cap. As you can see, it's my exact skin color. It looks a little bit lighter because the stocking cap is black, but it's my exact skin color. So just trying to blend in the stocking cap as much as possible. vital, especially when you're using a stocking cap that is not your skin shade or even close to your skin tone. So right now I'm just going in with the color corrector, the same one that I use every single day to correct all my dark spots. Then I'm going to go on top of that again with another layer of my foundation shade, just so I can blend it out as much as possible and make it look like it's my scalp. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that same corrector. I mean, you can use corrector, you can use a pencil, you can really use anything that's going to put some marks on you that's going to be easy to take off. But I'm just going to go ahead and outline the hairline of my wig so I know exactly where to put my glue, so I don't have any excess. Make sure you clean off the area you're going to be placing this glue. You really just want to have a clean slate so your glue is really able to cling to your skin and not have anything in between it. That's really good how you're going to be able to really melt that lace into your skin. And when I tell you, I put this glue on thick. I put at least 3 to 4 layers. Of course, you don't have to, but I mean, it's a new glue that I was trying, and I just wanted to make sure that I got the best hold that I could. Since I put so much, you really want to make sure that your glue dries down clear. That's really how you're going to get the best stick. You won't have any flakes. You won't have any white stuff. You won't have no nothing. It's just going to be looking bomb. It's going to be looking like some scalp. But in the meantime, while I was waiting for my glue to dry, I decided to take some mousse and just go ahead and brush back on my flyaways, on my baby hairs, on my wig. Because I hate it. I really hate it when I get hairs in my glue. Oh my goodness. It's like my wig could have been so flat, but this one little hair messed it up. When placing your wig on your head, really make sure that it's exactly lined up where you want it to be. Before I even put my wig in the glue, I make sure that it's sitting exactly where I want it to sit. And then I kind of just like wiggle my way around. And the best thing is, if you really want your lace to melt, kind of pull your lace a little bit tight when you're placing it in the glue. That's going to give it that transparency that you're looking for. Okay, y'all, so look, this is like the most important part when you really want that lace to melt. So right now, I'm just taking a thin layer of hair. So it's like some of my baby hair, some of it's not. But I'm taking a thin layer of the hair, as thin as I can get it. And right in between that part, between the hairs that's out in the front and the rest of my wig, I'm going to be spraying a little bit of Got To Be Glue free spray right there. And then putting on my elastic band to lay it flat. And y'all, my sister just came up in there hyping me up. Don't she look so cute? Look at her makeup. But yes, this is about to get that flat lace, that flat melt. Okay? Okay? Alright, y'all, I'm actually finna just go hop in the shower and I'm just gonna wet the hair, probably put some mousse on it, and then I'm gonna come back, probably have my makeup done and everything. I'm gonna come back to you guys. And that wraps it up, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And honestly, in the comment section, just let me know some videos that you guys would like to see me do. What are some things that you will enjoy watching on my channel? And don't forget to stay creepy, baby.